What are you making today? This morning.
I am making green curry, pork green curry. There it is.
Ingredients, of course, pork.
Yeah, pork, yeah.
And then?
And red onion,
Yes.
you're using. And red chilies, Thai chilies, garlic and ginger.
Yes.
But I do actually need some like Thai basil and maybe some copper lime. But I don't have any. So.
What is that called? Pork
curry?
curry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this is easy, make, hun. You can make this.
So later,
What I
we'll
do.
be back later.
And tell her that you're a beauty queen. And little. All right. That's how you do it, huh? Swirl it around. That should be good, hun. Yeah. So I gotta get back to this. Tell me when, hun.
Yes, it's on.
Okay, ready, set, go. We're making pork curry. So you notice I'm standing back, viewer? Because this will splatter. Ah, yeah, I hear that sound. That's what you want to hear. Good hot oil. It peels the meat too, huh, so don't fry up. Alright. Hi, viewers. What are we making today, my beauty queen?
Pork curry.
There we go. Yeah, for almusal. The best. Thai food. So we're using fresh pork from the palenque. Only the freshest food. Oh, I gotta get my green curry paste. So we get that while it's frying up. And I gotta hold this here. What's this thing called? The handle? Love handle, hun?
Pot holder.
Yeah. No, I mean this thing here. I'm holding. The love handle.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's what I call it. We gotta brown this up real good here. That's why you want to brown the meat up real good. That's why you gotta use high heat too, so it don't start stewing in its own juices. You want the oil to. We just spread the meat out. This is probably a perfect size. We got a lot of meat here, so it's more spread out. Like how now it's like kind of like. So I gotta go get the green curry paste. Your master chef again, viewer, on the Eve Mina channel, the most beautiful woman on all of YouTube. And today I'm making green curry, pork curry today. She's gonna show you what we're making. What kind of meat is that, hon?
What?
Wow, look at that.
The belly?
Yeah, so we're gonna use green curry paste today, viewers. From your master chef here.
That's green curry.
Yeah.
From
Thailand.
From Thailand.
Yeah. May Ploy brand. But yeah, green and coconut milk.
Yes.
We are going to eat good today, viewers. So from your master chef's kitchen here. Beautiful. Bright green, ain't it?
So it looks like this inside. It's like a powder.
No, it's a paste.
It's a paste.
I want to make my own, hon. We get all the ingredients. It has shrimp paste in it too, hon. Shrimp paste. So. Well, if you need oil, gas for the stove, we get some more gas. Well, we got the money, get it, you know. He's still stewing, but it's cooking down. Hear that sound? That might be too much, huh? Let's see. Maybe it's just half it. Okay. I feel dusty today. Alright, viewers, so we got the food cooking here. And the skin top too when you fry it. You see that, huh? The green? So you want to smell fragrance, yep. Now we're going to start browning this meat here, viewer. Oh, did I mention I'm the master chef here? Focus on the master chef, huh? And the most beautiful woman ever. My camera. She wears crowns because she won a beauty contest. Now I could turn it down a little bit more. Now I could adjust the heat down some. You don't want to burn the meat though, so you don't want to burn stuff. My beauty wears crowns. She's so cute. Alright. We got like the curry paste in here. Frying with the meat. Green curry paste, viewers. You can start smelling it now. Once it starts browning, add the remaining onions and all that. The ginger. You might just have to up it up on just a little bit. You don't want too much of it. So we don't want to burn it, but we want it not to. We want it frying, yeah, a good fry. So we're browning the meat up now, viewer. No, not done, but we're going to add the onions now, and the ginger, the chilies, and the garlic.
Okay. Onions.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, my beauty. This video is being recorded by the most beautiful woman on ever. She even wears crown. It's so cute, hon, how that crown you have in your hair. Cute. You should show people how cute you are, hon. I will in my video. How does that smell, hon? You smell that?
Yes.
You smell that curry? And safe to eat too, I may say, viewer, because there's no, what is it? No what, hon?
MSG.
Or added
Magic
salt.
syrup.
Yeah, or added salt.
Yes.
Salt in the curry paste, they put salt in it. That's enough. What we want to do is brown this meat up nice golden brown, but not burned. Just a nice golden brown. Then we start adding the coconut. You smell that though, hon?
Yes.
You smell the garlic and the ginger? Thai food. Is your son hungry now?
Yes.
Oh, you can accordingly.
Yes.
And
It's mabango.
yeah. We're browning the pork.
Yes.
Oh, how would the Chinese say pork? Oh, I said fresh pressed. You heard it first
Fresh.
on the Eve Mina channel. She's featuring the Master Chef today. Tell them I'm the Master Chef, hon.
So that is the
First pressing.
first pressing.
See that?
Coconut milk.
Yeah. Holy food, yeah. Look at it. Fresh pressing. So what we do with this, hon, we cook that to about half. You know, like breaks down the oil. We'll separate from the milk, you know, the... Oh, I gotta find my thing. There it is. Thank you. Oil will start separating from the milk, then we will add the... Then we'll fry it a little bit more, like the meat and the... You know. But it's so hot, you can see it already kind of separating along the edges here. See the oil stuff?
Yes. Start separating.
Yeah. Yeah, it's natural though, hon. It's not like that fake stuff, you know. That's full of like emulsifiers and all that. See, it's kind of green looking, viewer. This is green Thai curry. Pork curry. This is for the rabbi here. I invite the rabbi over for dinner. I'm making pork curry. Separate the oil from it. Because I'm frying the meat up one day. I'm going to add the second pressing. So this is Thai green curry. So I'm just frying the meat up one final time. So I'm going to start adding the second. So the best cooking, hon.
Yeah.
Oh, so close though. Like the best chef ever in the whole universe. Who do I sound like? Dave's Wild Camping? The best. You've seen it first here, you know, like that. You know. All right, so I'm gonna start adding the second. How do I do this without making a mess? All right. Watch this, huh? Second pressing, viewers. The Master Chef. This is just mainly coconut water, though. That's all right. That's what we need. Some. Oh. See, we get that. See, we gotta cook that meat down to it's soft. You know, like. It's right now. It's too hard to eat. You know, too tough. So what we're gonna do. I gotta mix that in here. What do you call that, hon? Maybe when you bought some kind of bread or something, and you said mix with what, hon? With wine?
And then boil that pork until
Well, we bring it to a boil, then we turn it down and cover it, reduce the heat, and simmer it. But see, I'm kind of like, because we want to cook that meat then soft and tender. And this will cook, you know, like reduce, like all this water from the coconut second pressing will evaporate out. Well, pretty soon.
Not yet.
But almost. See how it's starting to separate?
Yes.
So I had to make sure my cooking wasn't burning you. Yeah.
So the meat is tender already.
Yeah, that's what you're going to test. You're going to be the taste tester. Let me get
Here,
That's unholy, hon. Don't do that.
no, this is washed already.
It is?
Yes.
There we go. I got
My
you.
mother.
It's alright. I didn't know. Alright, hon. You're going to try it.
Isa!
It's hot, hon. I try.
Tender.
Get in here.
It's done.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
it separate the oil.
Yeah, see it right there?
Yes.
It's done. It's cooked long enough.
Yes.
We're done. We're ready to eat. How about you, hon? You got your crown?
Yes. Yes.
You want to wear your crown? That's so